Hey, all the good folks over at NiceBuy sent me over a couple of bamboo lights. These are solar powered lights. And we're going to get them put together and see what we think about them. First of all, let's see what we have in the box here. Now, these are IP44, which means they can handle a little bit of moisture, but not like a heavy rain or anything like that. Just a light mist, sprinkling, but not heavy duty rain. So anyway, we have our instructions here to tell us how to put it together. And this is like I said, it's a do-it-yourself. So with that being said, we have some bamboo sticks here. There is 2 of them. Should be our lights here and our base plates. Let's get started. I'm not going to bore you with putting all these sticks all together. I will show you how to do the first couple, and then we'll skip ahead to see how well the lights work. I'm going to set them in a windowsill, see what they look like in the window, looking from the outside in the house, and then I'm going to go see what they look like on my little table out on the porch. That's what I kind of want these for. Let's get this put together here. Now, this is written in several different languages, so if you're not speaking English or reading English, you're in luck, because there's a lot of different languages there. Now, I was really kind of paying attention to this because if you'll notice, one has a large hole and the other has a small hole. But obviously, it's going to go like that because our light is going to drop right in there. Y'all want to take a look at those lights real quick? We'll just look at it real quick and then I'll get back to that. And there is 2 of them. And they are solar powered. Here's your solar panel. Has your on and off right here. Let's see if they have any power. Well, it flashed. They will turn off depending on the lighting. You watch this, see it's off. You cover up the sensor, they come on. Now, these do have a 2700 Kelvin lighting temperature, so they're not going to be overpowering. It'll be perfect for like a picnic table. If you're a restaurant owner or something like that and you have a porch dining, then these will be great sitting in the table. It'll look really nice. Or for people like me, just at home, sitting on my table. Anyway, we'll and you can turn that off, even if you're out in the dark. I'll show you again, but got it covered up. You can turn it off. So no use in letting that run while you're not out there. Anyway, let's put this together. Now, these sticks are bamboo, and they are grooved, or slotted rather, to where the little gears fit. So basically, you're just going to slide that right in there. Just snap right in. Same thing on your bottom plate. Put that just like so. Just like that. You can go all the way around. You want to be sure and press those in good or they will fall out. Make sure you get those pressed in good. Give them a little tap. Don't hit them hard though. You could break them. We don't want to do that. Anyway, did you see how I did that? Take that, put it in the little gear right there, get them lined up, and slide it down into place. Both ends there. Just kind of little tap. Nothing to it. I'm going to finish getting this one put together, and actually I'm going to get both of them put together, and then I'll check back with y'all. So don't go nowhere. 1 down, 1 to go. Looks like they send you an extra stick just in case you break one. That's a good thing. You do kind of have to force those in a little bit harder. If you can't push them in real good, if you've got a small rubber mallet, you can just tap them, but don't hit them because you will break these. So that's up to you how you put them in there. Just make sure they get in there good. You just kind of, I was able to just kind of hit it with my hand, not hard, just a light tap. That is going to go pretty much like that right there. Not pretty much, but just like that right there. That's cool looking. I like that. Let me get the other one put together. Now you can do this however you want, but it seemed like it was easier to like put in one side, roll it to the other side, like that, put in this side. Basically a triangle, kind of, sort of. You don't have to be exact, but cover 3 sides anyway. Then you can come back and fill in. It seems like it helped keep it straighter, and it was just, seems like it was easier to me. I don't know. Might have just been me. I don't know if the instructions tell you to do that or not. I honestly didn't read them. And I would set this like on your paper. Might, if you're tapping them in there, could mess up your table maybe a little. I don't know. I just like a little cushion between my tabletop and the edge of this metal. And these are metal, by the way. Well, there you go. Got them both put together. Drop that light in, and we're done. Easy peasy. Really nice looking. Did I turn that one on? Yeah, look at that. Probably can't see them real good because I got my big light on plus my living room light here. But let's see what they look like in the dark. Those are really pretty, y'all. Not overly powering in the light, but we'll see how well they light up the table outside. Now, I will have to switch cameras, so you might notice a little bit of difference here. But that camera does not do real good at night. And I think I have one that will do really good. Let's see. This is a little demonstration of the dusk to dawn, I guess. Let me turn this light off. That comes on immediately. And those are some nice lights. I really like them. Now, how does that look? Got it in the windowsills right there. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I like that. That looks pretty cool, stacked. I know you're not supposed to stack them, but they fit really well. Notice the little lines and putting on the table. Check that out. That is cool looking. And my table, really, you don't need to, but one looks really nice. I like how these lines is what I'm talking about right here. It's really cool. But you could set them towards the back like this, make it really nice. And as you can see, they light it up good enough for out here to enjoy a dinner or a romantic evening, whatever. Really nice lights. I like them. Really cool. So if you're looking for some outdoor lighting, light up your picnic table, your table out on the patio, or set them in a windowsill, wherever you need them, they are good to go. Now, if your porch or patio is like mine and it has a cover on it, it doesn't get a lot of sun, these are light and easy to move. All you got to do is set them out in the sun, and then evening comes, set them back up there on your table. You'll be good to go. If you'd like to get some of these for yourself or for somebody as a gift, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order them today and have them ready for the night that they come in. They're ready to go. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. Well, there you have it. Bamboo, solar-powered outdoor light. Really nice. I like them. 2 thumbs up, 1 for each one. Hey, I am Amazon Associates. Any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.